Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this Maggi masala cubes. So this is a normal masala which have cardamom, black pepper and other spices in it, and these are in cube forms. You can add that cube. It is cube is formed with olive oil also. So you just put that cube to your spice, to your veggies, to your chicken and all, whatever you feel like to cook, and that's it. So it contains chicken stock also. So these are the cubes, as you can see, like this. The cube come. Let me read more about it. So all the nutritional information is mentioned over here, and it's a product of Nestle. What else? Nothing much. 24 pack, 20 gram each. So this is 20 gram, and all the ingredients which are used in producing this cube is mentioned over here. So let's open this and I'm going to show you how it actually looks like from inside. You won't believe, in small over here also they have mentioned all thing about the product. So there are 2 cubes in one box, and it contains chicken stock, as you could see. So this is how this looks like. You just need to add the stock, this cube, to your food and it will taste yum. Yes, really yum. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.